Hi everyone, and welcome to Wise Owl English Learning. Today, we're learning kitchen vocabulary. Grab your aprons and let's learn. Let's jump into the kitchen. Stove.
Stove.
She cooked the pasta on the stove. Oven.
Oven.
Bake the cake in the oven at 180 degrees. Refrigerator.
Refrigerator.
Keep the milk in the refrigerator. Freezer.
Freezer.
Store the ice cream in the freezer. Microwave.
Microwave.
Heat the leftovers in the microwave. Sink.
Sink.
Wash the vegetables in the sink. Dishwasher.
Dishwasher.
Load the dirty dishes into the dishwasher. Cabinet.
Cabinet.
Store the plates in the cabinet. Cutting board.
Cutting board.
Chop the onions on the cutting board. Grater.
Grater.
Grate the cheese using a grater. Colander.
Colander.
Drain the pasta in a colander. Peeler.
Peeler.
Peel the carrots with a peeler. Measuring cups.
Measuring cups.
Measure the flour with measuring cups. Measuring spoons.
Measuring spoons.
Add a teaspoon of salt using measuring spoons. Whisk.
Whisk.
Whisk the eggs until they are fluffy. Ladle.
Ladle.
Serve the soup with a ladle. Tongs.
Tongs.
Use tongs to flip the meat on the grill. Rolling pin.
Rolling pin.
Roll out the dough with a rolling pin. Knife sharpener.
Knife sharpener.
Sharpen the knife with a knife sharpener. Saucepan.
Saucepan.
Heat the soup in a saucepan over medium heat. Frying pan.
Frying pan.
Fry the eggs in a frying pan with a little oil. Pot.
Pot.
Boil the pasta in a pot of salted water. Knife.
Knife.
Slice the tomatoes with a sharp knife. Fork.
Fork.
Use a fork to test the tenderness of the potatoes. Spoon.
Spoon.
Stir the soup with a spoon to mix the ingredients evenly. Meat cleaver.
Meat cleaver.
Chop the meat with a meat cleaver. Spatula.
Spatula.
Flip the pancakes using a spatula. Kitchen shears.
Kitchen shears.
Trim the excess fat from the meat with kitchen shears. Potato masher.
Potato masher.
Mash the potatoes with a potato masher. Bowl.
Bowl.
Mix the salad ingredients in a large bowl. Pitcher.
Pitcher.
Pour the lemonade from the pitcher into glasses. Mixer.
Mixer.
Beat the eggs with a hand mixer until fluffy. Kettle.
Kettle.
Boil water in the kettle for tea. Teapot.
Teapot.
Pour the tea from the teapot into your cup. Apron.
Apron.
Wear an apron to protect your clothes while cooking. Blender.
Blender.
Blend the ingredients for a smoothie in the blender. Toaster.
Toaster.
Toast the bread in the toaster until it's golden brown. Milk pan.
Milk pan.
Heat the milk in a milk pan over low heat. Thanks for joining me in this kitchen vocabulary lesson. For better retention, rewatch the video and practice using the new words. Show your support by liking and commenting. I hope to see you again soon.